Hello folks and good day. Andy here with POP RVs. We're lucky enough to be looking at a like new 2017 Keystone Avalanche. This is the 365MB model. Beautiful fifth wheel. 4 slide outs expand the interior space. Like new condition. Owners purchased, but they've decided to go with a smaller unit. So their loss is definitely going to be your gain. Trail air, Rotaflex, solid built hitch, full access to the forward storage, dual propane tanks back here. Excellent condition on the outside, no damage to note anywhere. Sleeps 8 comfortably. You've got a king mattress in the forward bedroom, 2 pull-out sofas, and then a middle bunk up top. Exterior power outlets, solar charge system, stereo speakers on the outside as well. Do my best to open this up while holding the camera. See a full width path through storage. All these hold themselves open with magnets. Automatic leveling system. Total of 6 underneath. Really nice feature when setting up camp. Tires are in like new condition. This is the rear living room setup. Large 18-foot awning, nice LED lighting under it as well. Easy access to the roof systems with the ladder. Love all the wraparound tinted windows. Lets in plenty of natural light while keeping any heat out as well. This is an insulated rig. Let's check out inside. 3 steps up, handrail right where you need it. Nice screen door. Beautiful interior. Love the width in here. Really is a home away from home. Island setup in the kitchen. 3-burner stovetop, nice size oven. 4-door residential style refrigerator. Plenty of counter space. Got these nice fillers on the dual basin sink. Everything flush mounted. Pull out sprayer nozzle as well. High point microwave up top. Clean, clean, clean. Smells great inside. Got wine bottle storage, plenty of cabinet space, 4 drawers under the sink, dual waste bin, 1 trash, 1 recycling, and then another 3 pantry doors over here. Nice dining table. Love the headroom. Beautiful fit and finish on all the wood. You can see ceiling mounted LED lighting, low wattage, always nice, low heat as well. Dual recliners, nice 3-seat pull-out sofa for sleeping. You can see the massive flat panel TV, entertainment center by Furrion, and then just sit back and relax and enjoy the flames of the fireplace. Nice ceiling fan. And then a vent over here above the kitchen. And you've also got a vent fan for your stovetop cooking. And here, second relax area, another pull-out sofa, plenty of counter space for a mobile office, and above and below storage as well. Really, really nice layout. Back into the main hallway here. Coat racks, key hangers, simple pull-out ladder, couple steps up, Got a nice double bunk up top. Two steps up, breaker panel on your left, all your slide out controls and awning control as well. Got the rear AC, dual access to the bathroom. Plenty of room in here. Storage above and below. Huge sink and a really nice size shower stall as well. Dual glass doors on it. Simple foot pedal operation, Dometic toilet, and then a skylight with a vent fan as well. Main access to the forward bedroom. Huge king mattress. Nightstands on both sides. Forward AC. Huge closet. Almost the full width. There's some shelving up top. And you can either have additional closet space or doubles with washer dryer hookup. 4 more dresser drawers, and then an area to mount a second TV if you find that necessary. Do one more slow pan all the way through. Love the interior space, love all the storage. This is ready to hit the open road. Again, like new condition, 2017 Keystone Avalanche 365MB. Make sure you check out all the high resolution photos we've got on poprvs.com. Give me a call today. I'm Andy. Happy to answer any other questions you have. Love to meet you in person. Have you come take a look? Really appreciate all the space the Avalanche has to offer. Let's get you out on the open road to your favorite campsite and having fun.